Hi everyone, this is Robbie. This is one of the greenery things I found when we did our thrifting haul. So make sure you watch that video. I thought it would have a bottom, like a styrofoam bottom, but it was a stone bottom. So I took these lemons, which I think lemons just, I don't know, something about them just refreshing and it just brings springtime smile. And I'm going to add the lemons into this and then I'm going to add those flowers. And I got the flowers at the Dollar General. I just think this looks so springy and refreshing, and I just think this whole arrangement comes out so stinking cute. Okay, and I just laid those in there. I got those lemons on our haul for $1 for the 3 of them. Couldn't go wrong there. Now I'm just going to add the daisies I got at the Dollar General, and I'm just going to add them in there periodically wherever I think they look good. And doesn't this make you smile to look at them? I think daisies are a flower that just makes you want to smile. And so I'm just going to arrange them and put them where I think they look good. I'm not going to overdo it. You guys can use whatever color of flowers you would like to use. I just decided I was going to make this look like a springy, something I can set on my table and look nice and summery and springy. Tell me what you guys think. I think it came out really, really cute. Wait till we add the bees. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to make the beaded beads. How cute is that, guys? I just think it's so sweet looking. Okay, now we're going to make the beaded beads. I used an 18 gauge wire, which is going to be, I cut them at about 20 inches long. You can use gold wire if you'd like to. Now I'm showing you where I'm just going to paint the beads. I put them on a skewer. Makes it real easy to turn them around and paint them and to pop them off of there. And I just put them in the dish when I'm done, just let it slide off. And I'm also going to paint a yellow one. A little bit of paint got on that one, but I'll paint over it. I'm using Apple Barrel Sunbeam, but you can use whatever color yellow paint you have. You know, it doesn't matter. I'm just using what I have on hand. Now I'm going to pop that off. This little arrangement I bought like 2 years ago at Dollar General, and it sits on my coffee bar, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to spruce you up. So you know me, I like blue. I think blue and yellow remind me of summer for some reason. So I'm just going to give this little thing a bit of life here with the flowers. And when I put the bee in it, it's so cute. So if you guys have something like this, some greenery, or you see something like this, even when you're out thrifting or garage sales again, or you might have something like this, add a little flowers to it, give it a little life there. And it come out so cute. Took me nothing to do. So cute. And it sits on my coffee bar still. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to make the beaded beads. Aren't those bees so cute? They're so stinking cute. And they're really easy to do. You're going to need some wire cutters, your 2 beads that you painted, and an 18-inch or 18 gauge wire. You can use gold, you can use the black. I'm using the black. I pulled that up. That's going to be one of my antennas. I folded it over a little bit. Now you're going to add just a little bit of glue in there to help hold that wire while you twist the wire around the yellow bead. Take your time doing this, guys, and it comes out so cute. It gives it a 3D effect. And also you can make the wings. We don't cut this wire. We're using the same piece of wire for everything. And you're just going to slowly wrap around. I hope my hands aren't in the way too much. Slowly wrap around the yellow bead. And you'll play around once you get it wrapped all the way up to the top there. You can play around positioning the way you want it. If you don't want to do the wire, guys, you can always just paint them a little black stripe around the yellow. I'm not sure how you're going to make the wings, and this is how I make the wings. I just bend it over like that. Super easy. Both sides, just bend and make you like a little wing. You're going to end up twisting them. So you take it and twist it whatever way you want. Just give it a twist. There's one twist, and I'll do the other one same way. Just twist it so it stays good. Then you're going to take what wire's left and you're going to put your black bead over the top of both the wires, the short one and the long one. And then you're going to glue the head. I used hot glue. You're going to use the glue the head onto the yellow bead and press it down and hold it. See how cute it's coming along, guys? And then you're going to take your pliers and match up the antennas and clip that off. Look how cute he's coming out. He's so cute. They're easy to do, guys, and they're so cute in arrangements. I just think it's adorable. Then you're going to take your pliers and kind of roll it in on each end of your antenna. Just like that. Super, super easy. And same on that one. Look, guys, ain't he just adorable? Then I'm going to take a skewer I painted green, so it'll match into the greenery when I put them in my arrangements. And you're going to stick it on the bottom, and I just used hot glue. And you're just going to stick it on the bottom so you can put it into your arrangements. And there it is. And look, guys, look how cute this is when you put it in here. It just adds a little extra to it. You could actually use these bees in like a wreaths and stuff too. See how cute it was? This I found, this coffee cup reminded me of a beehive. I found it when we were out thrifting, and I thought, I'm dropping that in there. I can reuse my cup. It looks really cute, and I'm setting it on my coffee bar. See how cute it is? I just think adding those bees in there, and they're easy to make, just adds just a little something something. Tell me what you guys think. Please like and subscribe, guys. We'd really appreciate that. We appreciate all of you guys, and we're just trying to grow our channel. Thank you, guys. Isn't it just stinking cute? Wait till you see the lemon one. Oh, the lemon arrangement with these in it is so cute, and I love it on my table. See? So nice. Just a little added something like that can make an arrangement change. Thank you.